Riding down from the impressive mountains of the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, we could feel the temperature rising and the humidity thickening as we approached the Caribbean once more. We then stayed a few nights in the small town of Taganga, where we made our hostel a promotional video in exchange for accommodation. Check it out. Next up, we visited Palomino, a popular beach town where we were invited to a wedding, floated down a river in my spare motorcycle inner tubes, and did some welding on my engine crash bars.
This is totally broken. Luckily I noticed. The other one is almost broken.